Hi and welcome. Now today I want to show you a time-saving tip when using the brush tool, or in fact any tool that's got a brush capability like cloning, healing, dodging and burning, stuff like that. Now speed up your workflow by using this tip. Well, let's not waste any of the time we'll be saving, so let's dig right in. My name's Ken Fisher and this is LiveLink Training. Now something we constantly use are brushes. Now whether they be for painting with the brush tool or repair work using the cloning and healing tools, they all use brushes. Now two properties of a brush that we need to be in control of in order to efficiently edit our images are size and feather, or the hardness of the brush. Well, there are basically three ways we can control the size and hardness of a brush. First is the brush panel. Now we get to that by going up here and clicking on this little triangle at the side of the brush icon, and here we can see a little picture of the brush, and this number here is the size of the brush in pixels. But if we click on that, we get the brush panel, and here we can access these two sliders where we can change the size and we can change the hardness. Okay, that's okay, but there's a lot of mousing around in that. Now second, we have the square bracket keys on the keyboard. The right square bracket key makes the brush bigger and the left square bracket key makes the brush smaller, and this is all done on the fly and takes no mousing about at all. Now if you look up at this little preview here where we've got the brush preview, we can show you the hardness, and we get to that by holding the shift square bracket. So if we just watch that little symbol, the shift square bracket makes it hard and shift square bracket makes it a soft brush. So I'll do that again. Shift right square bracket makes it a hard edge brush. Shift left square bracket makes it a soft brush. Now this is the one that I use most of the time. This is my favourite. Now I don't have a fancy name for it, but what you actually do is you hold down the Alt key and then you right click and hold the button down and you drag left to right for making the brush bigger, and you drag up and down for making the brush harder or softer. So that's left to right to make it bigger or smaller, up and down to make it softer or harder. How cool is that? Now suppose we could call it the Alt left, right, up or down drag tool. Somehow I don't think that will catch on. Well, that's it for this video. How to change the brush size and the hardness on the fly. I do hope it was useful. If it was, please share it around with your friends. Give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment under the video on YouTube. And please click on that subscribe button and help me reach more Photoshop and Lightroom users. Look me up on Facebook at LiveLink Training and give my page a like. It will certainly be appreciated. I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.